put the shade cloth up and brought out some peppers. Now, it rained all last night. It's gonna rain all day. I just used this tarp to give them a little cover because all cups were flooded like this. Let's see if I can. Yeah, they're all the soil soaked and the cup full, so I've been emptying them, and now got the tarp over to give them a little cover because it's gonna rain all day and also tonight. And I'm not trying to bring them back in. They're gonna stay here no matter what. So for now, I'm gonna just give them a little cover. Hope the winds don't increase because it's gonna get bad if the wind tosses these tarps around. It's not gonna be good. It's most likely gonna break stuff. These are cucumbers, and shit, I need room for these tomatoes. Well, the tomatoes have drainage, so they're not. It's the cups with the reservoir that gets giving me problems. So I guess the tomatoes can stay there. Really didn't have much room to step on each end of the tarp, so I had to use the longer length to it. I gotta bring the pot over here. Hope this works and the wind doesn't mess me up right here. Alright, there's a little revision for security. It's gonna have to do for now. There's a lot of rain coming. I did a bit of work yesterday. Just finished up covering stuff here. I set these are bells, so they didn't need hardening. I bought them, and one Mr. Stripey tomato I bought didn't need hardening, so I went ahead and covered this with the weed block and fixed some stuff around the greenhouse. I took out a row of kale from the greenhouse, fixed some baskets, little flowers there for the summer. This is a project for this summer. I think I'm gonna have to lift all these pavers and get them all raised for this flooding here. But yesterday I removed a row of kale, and I don't know why, but we got onions this late, and you know how that goes. They had to go down. Also spinach, which I don't think are gonna do good. You know, it's the cold's gone. Check out how these pill bugs are starting to eat the spinach right away. I gotta get that sluggo thing, bastards. And original row of kale. We're getting too many. I always plant too many kale, and yeah, I got a ton inside, ready to take to work. Been eating a ton. Some couple of plantings. This getting this ready for the fountain. Dropped those two yesterday. Cleaned up some grass and got these set down on each side.